Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use input values or how to pass input values from one component to another component, or how to capture or how to save data of input values. So first of all, we will open our React project in VS Code. So as already you see, I opened my React project in VS Code. So first of all, we will create a input component. So that's why I will create one file here, and inside it I will create a simple component with input. So inside a div, I will create one input with one button. Okay. And inside input, I will write value. After that, I will create one state by using useState to save the value of input, and it is for now just empty string. Okay. And after that, I will create a function to capture the value of input while user writing the value inside an input. Okay. So for that, I will create a function for input change handler. I call this function inside this on change attribute. Okay. And after that, I will create a function whenever user click on this add button, the value will be shown after that input. Okay. So for that, I will create a function. So I attach this function inside button by on click, and inside this value attribute, I will use this state input value, and I disable the button whenever the value is empty inside input. Okay. So for that, I write disabled. After that, I will go to my main file, which is app.js file, and inside it I will import my input component. Okay. And here I will create a major and main use state where all the inputs saved as an array. Okay. So basically I am creating a to-do list, simple to-do list, and I will create a use state in the main component, which is app.js, where all the values of input saved in an array. So for that, I will create an array, and inside it, for now, I will just write an empty array. Okay. After that, I will create a function. Whenever the button is clicked, that function will capture the value from input child and saved it inside app.js file. And this function will receive a parameter which is a value by that input child. And here I will set that value and save that value inside this array. So for that, I will just write set to do, and inside it I will use previous state because it depends on the previous state. Okay. This spread operator. Okay. And here I pass that function by using prop on btn click, and inside it I will send the value of input. For now, I will console the values of input on the inspect. Okay. And after that, I will run my project on localhost by using npm start, and now I will wait for 5 to 10 seconds to run it properly and successfully. Okay, now my localhost runs successfully, and I will open my Chrome. Okay, so here my UI UX. Okay, and I will write something. First of all, I will open my inspect to check consoles. So I will write something here and click on the add button. Okay, there is an error on props. Okay. So this is an error. The prop name is on btn click, and here what I call, okay, on btn click. I will correct this. After that, I will go to my Chrome, and so here my data will come properly. Okay, now I will show this to UI UX like a list or like a to-do list, or for that I will simply create a unordered list below this input child. So for that is unordered list, and inside it I will use a map function on the list on this to do values, because this is an array, so I'm allowed to use map function on an array. Okay. So for that, I will use to do, and simply so this run properly and successfully, very good. But there is a problem. When I click on add button, my value is still there. So I want that if a user click on add button, the value will be empty after that. Okay. So for that, I will go to my input file, and after that, on click inside that input btn handler, below that I will just create my input value empty. Okay, so I will set input value just empty. Okay, now I will go and refresh the page. Okay, now check, this is it. The input is empty. Okay, so I will write second, third. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to pass input values from one component to another component, or how to capture or how to save input change values on real time. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye.